This business uses technology that goes back 2,000 years, brewing Japanese sake. It's harder than it looks. First of all, you need a climate that's cold enough to keep bacteria from growing, and water that is exceptionally pure, with just the right mix of minerals. And ordinary rice just won't do. You need the special sake stuff. And you need a lot of it, since half the rice gets washed away before they even start. But the most important ingredient isn't rice or water. It's the people who stop at nothing to turn these raw materials into the highest quality sake. The oyakata, the word means parent in Japanese, treats each employee like a member of his family, and for good reason. Harmony, he says, is essential to making good sake.
Good taste.
And so is following the old ways. Everything is done by hand, and the tools they use aren't exactly high-tech. 10 employees make about 2,000 gallons of sake each winter, ready to drink the following year. Once it's properly cooled down, mold is added to the rice in a highly humid chamber, and the mix is covered for 2 days. Because sake needs more than just yeast to cause fermentation, the process is much more complicated than making beer or wine. Every time you move from room to room, you have to change your shoes and thoroughly wash your hands. It's illegal to use artificial preservatives in sake, so the environment must be kept extremely clean. Street shoes don't even make it to the second floor. But making sake is as much an art as it is a science, and needs an experienced eye and loving hands. Yeast is added in a separate process, and the whole thing bubbles as it ferments, and smells just like rising bread. And finally, the payoff. It may not be a prestigious Tokyo corporation, but it does come with its own unique set of dividends.